Hey everybody, it's Kelly and welcome back to the Sholi YouTube channel. Today we're going to be breaking down the Apollo Mini-Miss Deluxe Premier Starter Kit. Starting with the turbine, this is going to be the same turbine that comes in the Apollo Essentials kit, so it will handle about the same 25 to 30 tans a day. However, you are going to get the upgraded stainless steel T5020 gun from Apollo. This is going to be a great option. You have no waste at the end of every appointment, and it's just a great option for any spray tan business. For the solution that comes in the Premier starter kits, you are going to get larger bottles of solution. You'll get 32-ounce sizes instead of the samples. You're going to get a 32-ounce size of our original number 9, 32-ounce size of Luxe number 12, and a 32-ounce original Rapid. You also will get a quart of our training solution. This is going to be a great training tool for you to practice technique. It's just cosmetic bronzer, so feel free to spray with it, and as soon as the client steps into the shower, it will completely rinse off. You also will get essential prep products in this kit. You will get the pH balancer and barrier cream. You will also get an additive in this spray tan kit. You get the DHA booster, and this is a great option to increase the DHA percentages in your spray tans. This spray tan kit will also come with a hose. So this is what's going to attach your turbine to your applicator, and all of our hoses are going to be a quick connect attachment, so it's easy to release and then connect. Thank you for breaking down the Apollo Deluxe Premier Starter Kit. If you do have any questions about this kit, please contact our customer service team and any of our representatives will be happy to help you.